after you have joined the 100 LGM system, you have been in the marathon also. There was some tough times, but you you didn't lose that, and you were running the marathons also completely, and you did
Yes.
everything possible. So at last, when I saw the status and your results, that what kind of earning you are doing, and the way that you are teaching, and the students, so much of students are learning from you, it really inspired me, and I really felt happy about that. Now,
Thank you, ma'am.
when
Thank
you
you.
see yourself backward before joining the 100 LGM system, and when you see yourself right now, when you are earning good amount, how do you feel about that?
Yeah, it's really a good change in that after LGM system. I got more inquiries about bridal class also, as well as service also for bridal makeup also. Uh, Actually, before LGM means my confidence level is very low only because, for example, I am quoting 30,000 for a bridal class, but people are bargaining me. But
Hmm.
now I'm strongly, I can tell strongly about what I can teach, that and all I can explain them strongly. So I never bargain anything. So 30,000 is fixed amount. So in that I have changed a lot in the after LGM system.
Okay, so every batch, how many students do you have, and how do you feel by becoming a mentor and teaching the
Yeah,
people?
actually, I want to increase the students count, but till now I'm maintaining 4 students or 5 students, something like that only. But I want to increase the student count. For that, I need to work more lot actually.
Understood. So when it comes to bridal Malar, how many, after joining the system, can you give the, minimum number that how many brides did you complete?
Yeah, 13 to 15 bridal I have attended.
Oh, so 13 to
13 to
15 bridals you have
15.
attended.
Yeah,
So if you see a normal minimum amount, how much you have earned?
minimum starting from 10,000, 10,000 to 30,000, 30, 35,000 up to.
Okay, so from all the 15 bridals, if you see how much is the amount that you have crossed.
Yeah, once again, I have just calculated.
Hmm.
For course and all, I have for only course I have earned 2 lakhs, 2.5 lakhs.
Oh my
Only for
God.
yeah, only for bridal course.
Hmm.
And then just 2 minutes, I will count the bridal count, ma'am.
Okay.
I have just write down that 2 lakhs 25,000.
Okay. 2,25,000 from the
25,000
2 lakhs
for
25,000 from bridal
bridal
makeup,
order. Yeah.
and 2
Uh,
lakh change
2
for
lakhs 50,000 for course.
okay, 2,50,000 and 2 lakh 25,000. If we see
Yeah.
all together, it is coming approximate to
4
4,75,000.
for, yeah.
So you have earned almost 4,75,000. How do you feel about this? This
Yeah,
great.
it's really very, very happy for my after joining LGM system only, ma'am. So,
So 4 lakhs, you have crossed almost 4 lakhs. Can you tell, Malar, that, how important digital works in business without being the knowledge, the
now
technical knowledge?
everything is digital only. Actually, at the correct time only I have joined LGM system. After that only I have earned this much because before LGM system I have given the digital marketing session to some other person. That
Hmm.
kind of I have given. I'm maintaining my page app like that only before LGM system. Now I can handle
Okay,
digital
so how
marketing.
much
Now
you
I
used
can
to pay
handle that.
those people to handle your page? How much is the amount to pay?
Minimum for 15 days, 5,000 or 8,000, something like that. Around for 1 month, 15,000, something like that.
Around a month, you have to pay 15,000 rupees.
15,000, yeah.
Oh my God. With that 15,000,
But
do you know how much of leads you can generate?
leads and all, not able. Good leads. I'm not maintaining before LGM system. But after that, I can handle very easily.
Okay, after paying 15,000 also, no quality leads and all. With
No,
that
no quality
system,
leads.
if we have
Only they will
15,000.
inquire something like that. Then they told, okay, we will join later, something like that.
Okay, I understood. So yeah, once we understand the in-depth marketing about what exactly we have to do, how we have to convert the students into the paying student, how to convert the customer, the bridal customer onto the bridal customer, become a paid client. That
Yeah.
if you learn those step-by-step strategies, then obviously it is very easy. You have crossed more than 4 lakhs rupees, mother. Obviously. So when I ask you a
Okay.
goal in the form of in the next 6 months, what is the goal that you really want to achieve? And in your business that you have, can you tell me your goal?
Yeah, I need to achieve this amount need to be double or triple the amount in next
Okay.
6 months.
Okay. In next 6 months, you want to double the
Yeah.
amount. So are you
Yes.
confident that you can do it easily?
Yes. Sure, ma'am. Sure.
So you're confident because you
I
have the step-by-step, procedure in place, right?
Yeah, I started working for that also.
Okay, great. You have started working towards that also. You want to
Yeah,
double and triple the amount. Can you tell Malhar that, doing the technical part and learning the business is very difficult, or it is very easy?
it's very easy, ma'am. Actually, we don't know anything about that. But you only simplified that is, I thought digital marketing is very tough and so that only I can give it to some other person and handle my Insta page. But after joining LGM system only, I can able to know that is very easy to handle.
Great, great to know your success. Now, can you tell me, Malhar, how was your experience with 5 weeks of marathon?
Yeah, it's very tough time for me actually personally because I need to handle my personal problems also. But even though I have completed my task and all, and at the time only I can able to know very I can able to learn very lot of things in professionally as well as personally.
Learned lot of things
That's
and you gave
true.
your best. Though you had the personal problems, you gave your best and
Yeah.
never you took the step back, for doing a task or doing an assignment. Now, Malhar, can you tell me that the community of 100 LGM community that you are the part of? So can you tell me that how powerful this community is and how when you had those team meetups and all, how it exactly
First
helped?
thing, first thing, a lot of positive energy. Everyone
Mhm.
appreciate for small things also that will give positive energy. After the positive energy only, we can able to know, okay, we can I can able to do this something like that. So I can I can at the same time every time positive energy boost positive energy actually.
So this is experience of every student that because of the positive energy and the help, the small help that they get from team and the whole
Yeah.
100 team community only, those people are, they always feel strong because always having that support and team for lifetime, we feel strong. We never feel that we are gonna fail because we know that if we are gonna fail, there are a lot of people who are going to help us.
Yeah, sure.
So you have given your best, Malar, you've crossed your 4 lakhs of amount. Have you ever thought before starting this after makeup, after failing in this makeup industry, did you ever thought that you're going to reach this stage in some time in life?
No, not at all. Because before that I have worked in a private company. My salary is 25,000 only.
Oh,
I have to quit the job. After that only I have started my makeup artist career. But everyone's scolding. Don't leave your job, something like that. But I definitely I can left the job very strongly because I can do very well in this field. But some oscillation is there in my mind also because I'm putting the job because at the time also I can handle personal problem, so I need to maintain family and my son education also. But somewhat I believe myself. So that only I left the job and started my makeup industry career. But after that, my lifestyle is totally changed. After quitting the job and also after came into this field, my lifestyle totally changed. Ma'am.
so now did
Oh,
you prove those people, all those people that you have you have taken a right decision?
yeah, and now everybody is speaking behind me. No, someone is helping her so that only she can come this place, something like that.
Great. So now, showcasing the people that, we have taken the right decision and proving them that we are earning and earning, 25,000 salary that too you have to work from, day one, day till day 30.
Yeah, 8 hours work. Yeah,
So
from
much of
morning
work.
6 to
And
2
in this,
o'clock work.
earning lakhs of rupees is very easy and it is not so hectic also, no, not so tough
Yes.
also. And that you can maintain your family also together and you can give the time
Yeah.
for your profession also. Everything will be
Yes, ma'am.
very easy. So now,
Yes.
Malvinder, I'm really happy with your success that you have almost crossed so many clients, so many
Thank you so
students.
much.
The way you are teaching on the for your students, when I see your videos and your status and all, I really feel so inspired that the confidence that you show in front of the this one students and all the things are very much very great, and I hope so that I'm going to see you succeeding more and whatever goal you have said me that you're going
Sure,
to
ma'am.
achieve, I'm sure that you're going to achieve. And in next Zoom call, I'm gonna completely meet you and see that whether you have achieved that
Yeah.
goal or not. And I'm
Sure,
hoping that
ma'am.
you will
Sure.
cross that because you're
Yeah,
so
sure.
strong and you have crossed the goals, and I'm sure that you're gonna
Definitely.
cross that also.
Definitely, ma'am. Sure, sure.
So thank you so much.